Today we talk about Huawei Pura 70. Its launch on April 2024. The dimensions of Huawei Pura 70: height 6.2 inch, width 2.93 inch, thickness 8 mm, the weight is 207 grams. The build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Huawei Pura 70. It comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.6 inch with 90.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120 Hz with 2500 nits peak of brightness. And the screen protection of Huawei Pura 70, it has oven Huawei Column Glass 2 screen protection. The platform of Huawei Pura 70, it comes with Harmony OS 4.2. The chipset is Kirin 9010 7nm and it comes with octa-core Titan big CPU. The GPU is Melon 920. The memory of Huawei Pura 70, it has 12 gigs of RAM, 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card and no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Huawei Pura 70, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60 fps video record. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel with 4K 60 fps video record. The battery backup, it's come with 4900 mAh battery and 66 watt wired fast charging. It has 50 watt wireless charging and 7.5 watt reverse wireless charging, 5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS stereo speaker, USB Type-C, infrared port, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1, NFC, IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of Huawei Pura 70 is $999.